today? Today we are going to do zucchini brownies and my granddaughter is going to help me. Her name is Camila. Say hi, Camila.
Hi.
Recipe, we are going to use 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups granulated sugar, here, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of finely shredded zucchini, and 1 1/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chunks. First of all, we're gonna sift the flour. Camila, can you put some flour? Now it's time to sift the sugar. Camila, can you do it? Can you put it? Perfect.
I want to do it.
Okay, you can help me with the cocoa powder.
Okay.
Can you put it? It's there. All of it. Yes. I like the color brown. And I love chocolate. Okay, now we're gonna do the baking soda. Can you pour it, please? I have a good helper. There we go. I think we are done with this. Okay, now we are going to add the salt. And Camila is going to mix all of the ingredients. Going to add the vegetable oil and the vanilla. And Camila is gonna mix it. Now we are going to add the zucchini. 3 cups. 1. Continue mixing, Camila. 2, and 3. All of it. And the last step is to pour in the chocolate chunks. This is gonna be yummy. One more here. Now we are going to pour in the zucchini brownies mix in a baking pan. It is important for you to use parchment paper, and you're gonna do it like this. I need to put more. I have another baking pan there ready with our 2 baking pans. So it is important for you to preheat the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit, and you're gonna bake for 25 to 35 minutes. This is the final product. Okay, I hope you love them. Now it's time to taste them. Okay, Camila, are you ready? Good. They're so good.
It's so good.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.